Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to connect domain to the Blogger. Okay, so you have a domain and you don't have any hosting and you don't have money to buy hosting. Okay, so you want a free hosting. Okay, so instead of buying the hosting from GoDaddy or from Hostinger, so it's better to connect your domain to the Blogger. So Blogger is for free, you know very well. Okay, so you can create a Blogger using Gmail account, and you can also connect your domain to the Blogger. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you step by step how to connect domain to the Blogger. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, log into your Blogger and go to the settings. You will see the option called custom domain. Okay, custom domain. Just go to the GoDaddy and log into your account and click on my products. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, this is my domain name, whatsaptelangana.com. Okay, I'm copying this and putting here. Save. Okay, so you got one error. Blogs may not be hosted at naked domains, example your domain.com. Please put level domain. Okay guys, just put www dot and click on save. Okay, and you will see some C names here. Okay, copy this ghs.google.com. I'm copying now. Just right click, copy, and I'm maximizing this and go to the GoDaddy and click on DNS. You will see a lot of records here, and you will find some C names. Okay, there are two C names. Just click on edit one C name and remove this one and copy and paste here ghs.google.com and click on save. Okay, now you'll need to verify it. Just click on verify. Okay, you will get one OTP to your mail ID. Just opening my mail, and I got one OTP. Okay, I'm copying this OTP and putting here. Verify. Okay, success. Now I need to edit one more C name. Okay, go to the Blogger and copy one more C name here. I'm copying this one. Okay, go to GoDaddy again, DNS records, and remove this one, paste here, and you need to enter the value also. Just copy the value. Just copy here, copy this value. Okay, I'm copying it. Now go to the GoDaddy and remove this one and paste, save. Okay, click on save. It's updating. Again you need to verify. Just click on verify button. Okay, you will get one more time OTP. Just check your mail. Oh, I am refreshing it. I didn't get any mail. Okay, still no mail. Yeah, I got one message from GoDaddy. I am clicking on show. Yeah, this is the OTP. I'm copying this OTP. Okay, go to the GoDaddy and click on verify. Right, your DNS record has been updated successfully. Okay, and we successfully connected our domain to the Blogger. Now click on save button here. Okay, settings are updated now. Right, and you will see some redirect domain, just it's enable it. Okay, and HTTP is availability, that is also you need to turn on. Okay, yeah guys, within half an hour or 1 hour you will see your domain. I am clicking on view blog now. Okay, so the blog, you need to click on S here. The blog that is used to be here now, HTTPS. So it's telling like it's redirected to this, so click on S. Okay, so before that blogger.blogspot.com, right? Now it will be what's AP Telangana, I mean my domain. I added the custom domain to this blogger. Okay, within half an hour or 1 hour you will see your domain which is successfully connected to the blogger. Okay, so this is the process guys. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.